camera going again. Okay, so we've just gone over Devonport, and yes, we're just Rex is actually showing me how to use the VNAV, which is really awesome.
I gather you just started your descent?
Yes, we have.
I'm 6,400 on descent.
Now the only thing you really need to watch now is whether it's going faster than you're comfortable with.
Yeah. We're going through 7,300.
It's 1026, is it, Bob? Say again? 1026? What's 1026? What do you mean? The pressure. On Q&H, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm just seeing what Lorraine said she had, what I had, and I want 1026. That's Devonport Q&H, which we've just passed.
Okay, so we're just checking everything here because we are already.
Speed's picking up a bit because maybe we're going a little bit faster.
We're just going to watch the step. Got a 4,500 foot step. We're still outside the step. Okay.
I don't think they're active though. What have you got? Are they red on the?
I'll have a look. So just checking
underneath the step.
Oz runways and it's not
what
red.
we should be doing is put that down.
It's not red.
So what you want to do, the first step that's going to worry us is the 4.5. So if I put
Wind that back.
4.5 there.
Yeah, so go back a bit further.
It tells you where.
Okay, so
there.
Yeah, so we want it to have us there by then.
But it'll there it is, we're making it.
Yeah. We've set it up now so that we miss the step.
Okay, yeah. There's a bit of a sort of a big jump there, down to 4.5.
Yeah, how are you going, Brett?
Yeah, I'm well below you, that's why I asked, so I'm only at 5.6 at the moment.
We're at 5.7.
I'm at 3.6. Yeah, except I'm a long way behind you.
Now we've got to switch fuel tanks.
I'm spacing out for the landing. What traffic?
Right,
Tango Sierra Romeo 10 mile to the east of the field, plan straight in approach to runway 2.
Okay, pressure, fuel pressure is checked.
The runway is 341. Check to Devonport.
If you just pulled the power back a bit,
Yeah, hold on a second.
it will slow it down and you'll make that descent.
Just pull this RPM back now to 5150.
And that's going nicely there.
Cars get rough at about 3,300.
Thanks, Bob. We needed to know that.
Well, no, boy, that's not bad. It's just a little lumpy. Right, that next step you're about to cross is 4.5.
Yeah, we're crossing it at 4.5. They got a 300-foot tolerance. No, we want to go to 2.5. Is the next controlling step.
Yep.
So we'll be 2.5 there, and we've got to be 2.5 just there. And the
Runs out of
frequency.
battery.
You're in the 4.5 foot step and you're well above me and I'm at 4.5.
We're at 4.5, smack on. QNH is correct, everything is correct.
Yep,
So
1025.
we're at 4.5 at the step.
Yep.
So we're recording this, so we're just on our descent now to Rostella. We're only,
Okay, I'm going to call on CTAS.
I'll copy that. We could probably just put the CTAF up behind there.
Yep, you want CTAP here instead of control.
Instead of having to talk a bit better then.
Is 9 miles to the northwest, inbound, presently 2,600 and estimating the circuit, the time at 13. Bristell, copy.
Brett, if you wanted to, you could power ahead of us.
Yeah, I will. I can barely hear that.
Need to get this frequency off. We can put the CTAP up behind there. We're close enough now and monitor it. I reckon. We couldn't hear Tim over there.
Yep.
It's normal left-hand circuit, is it?
I think they did circuits to the west out over the
Okay,
water.
I'll join left downlink.
Okay, so we've just got to get ourselves positioned here. Because we're only, 9 miles out? Oh, well, Bob's 9 miles out. We're a bit more than that. We're 13 miles out. Rex is getting out the instructions for Rostella.
Doesn't say anything there, but I thought I read in the URSA.
Yeah, have I got you there, Bob? What runway has he said?
Runway 34, it looks like the wind's just about right down at about 7 or 8 knots.
That's good. Can you confirm it's left-hand circuit for 34?
I did confirm it's left-hand circuit for 34, so I'm going to join direct on down west.
Yeah.
Copy that, thanks. Did you get that, Brett?
I did, so we've got a left, right base, downwind. Left base. Yeah, but we're on the right side downwind is what I'm saying. Yeah, I guess that's one way to look at it.
Yeah, you're right, Brett. It's just the way he works.
Over there, yeah. Doesn't matter.
No, we're going to make our 2,500 easily. Put that to 1,000 now.
So Brett's going to go ahead of us.
Right.
So we might have to hang back. Possibly.
I'm going back to CTAP frequency.
So you can see it's holding the profile beautifully.
Yep.
And as you pull the power back to slow up, it'll just slow up
Yep.
to stay on that profile.
Neat, eh? So hopefully Brett's powering ahead because otherwise we'll end up.
Well, give him time to talk to the customer. There's your aeroplane.
Well, it's we can always just hang outside the circuit for a second till they land and vacate.
So we're 8 miles now. You want to transfer?
Just stand by. Are you guys on the numbers at all?
Yep.
Okay, Brett, we're going to transfer over to the CTAF now. Are you still behind us or ahead of us?
No, well behind you. I'm picking enough distance for you to land and all that. And I'm monitoring both.
Okay, copy that, mate.
go to CTAP.
Yep. Okay, so we are...
We're through 2000, there was the beat, and it's going to capture the 1000 for you.
Yep, beautiful. So we're on the right tank, which is the fullest. So we're just slightly to the northeast.
Must be that grassy area alongside that sandbank.
Rostella, Bristell 9011 is 5 miles to the northeast, and we're inbound on descent passing through 1500 Rostella.
Northwest.
Oh, northwest. You're right. Hang on, I'm looking at it upside down.
It's a trap.
It's that monitor that does it. That's what does it.
Rostella traffic, Bristell 2134 in conjunction with 9011. We'll be following about 1 nautical mile behind Rostella.
200 feet to go.
Traffic, Bristell 1765, tank final, runway 34 Rostella.
Okay, so we're going to be landing back that way.
Yep.
Just trying to pick it up. We're only 3 miles out. Where is it exactly? Oh, right on our nose.
Yep.
So we're going to be poking it about mid downwind.
Yeah, I can't see Bob.
So we're going to have to go there. There's the field in front of us.
Yeah, what are you going to go over the top, turn left and join left downwind, or?
Well, we can be. We've got to remember Brett's behind us.
Or is he going to go straight in on left
No,
base?
he's going to let us go in first.
Oh, right. Yep.
So I just think, so is that the runway there? We're only 2 miles out, that's it.
Yeah.
So I reckon we're going to go out here, punch this autopilot off. See, it's on our nose.
Yeah, it's there, but...
I'll punch the autopilot off. What do you reckon?
Yep.
And we'll turn right here. Because that's the strip, I'd say.
So, that's it there.
Bristell 2134, join.
Bob's just touching down.
34, full stop.
I've got him.
He's got a backtrack. Oh,
Right,
no,
you're going around, are you?
I can let you in first if you like.
Okay.
It's just that I'm technically on downwind now.
And I'm backtracking now.
Brakes are off and operating undercarriage is fixed. Let's get this pump on. I'll go in first, Brett, if you like.
Yeah, you're past it. I'm coming around to turn base shortly.
Where the hell is he?
I don't know.
I've gone past it. There it is there. Look,
Yeah,
right there.
that's it.
You can go if you like, Lorraine. I'm easy. I can stay out here. The gravel.
Yeah, I'll go in first, mate. I'm just about to turn base.
Just turning off the runway.
What's that noise?
I think it's interference from somebody down below.
Wind's about 300 degrees, about 8 knots, runway 34.
Okay, let's just get
Oh,
this
I can
sorted.
just hear you then, Tim.
Let's slow
wind's
this baby
about
down.
300 degrees, about 8 knots, runway 34.
Oh, Rostella 9011 is base. Right, just let me get this ducking on final.
It's all clear.
Okay, we're just coming back through here now. Okay, bit of nose up trim. Propeller full fine, undercarriage is fixed. Flap will go the last stage shortly. Oh bugger, let's go now.
Why not?
Hey,
Why not?
there's our speeds looking good.
500.
I'm too busy taking in the scenery. So
No,
beautiful.
thanks.
Absolutely beautiful.
Slightly uphill by the looks of it. speeds.
Bristell traffic, Bristell 2134, turning final, 34, full stop, Rostella.
Hardly head off. Runway's clear. Nose up trim. Speed's good. But look at the windsock.
It's just a little bit to the left.
Are you staying down there, Lorraine, or backtracking?
I'll roll through to let you in, mate.
Okay, because I'm still on approach.
Copy that.
That's a nice surface.
Okay, flaps are up, pump is off, and I'll just roll through to give Brett some room, hey? He'll nail that thing and
Yeah.
it lands as short as.
It'll show off.
2134, you got enough room?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Tim's probably thinking, bring my effing aeroplane back. It's best that his goes in last anyway.
That's right.
He can wait for it. Okay, so I don't want to go off there too much. I'll turn around here. There's a soft spot
Electric
there.
fence there too. If Brett can't stop and pull up before he gets here, he's already turned in, I think. Oh no, there he is.
Trying to get this baby around, look. He'll nail that.
Very bad. Very bad.
What was bad? Looked okay from here.
No, I bounced and bounced and bounced. But could have gone around, but it wasn't bad. It was holding its nose. It's just the wind kept getting under it.
That's because everyone was watching.
Is that a monkey flying?
Because he puts too much pressure on himself.
Sorry?
Is that a monkey flying there?
Yeah, it was. That was the worst one I think I've ever done. Ever.
You had an audience.
Mine was
that's
not too
why.
bad.
Oh, yours was good.
It hit, and then the wind came and pumped it up, and then it kept staying. I thought, do I go around
I should
maintaining in the
I should say to
landing
him,
attitude?
Stop making excuses, Chris.
Write it out.
No, I think what had happens is you're all, well, I suppose landing
Yeah, the wind did pick
at
up.
Riddle is a narrow strip,
So,
but when
Well,
you go
I
into
cut
short
it out at the
strips
same
like this,
time, and it's
sometimes
not-
it's quite confusing.
So this surface is actually gravel with grass growing through it.
Yeah,
So it's an all-weather strip.
they've done a good job.
Yeah.
And one of my relatives owns it.
I should just sit back here. Oh dear. Oh, look at the girls.
Well, they're coming. Oh,
Okay,
look,
so if this,
look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this.
a big
Come on,
bird.
fellas, come on.
Hey, so well, I've still got the camera rolling if it's still rolling.
Oh.
And if it is still rolling, no, Brett's landing wasn't as bad as he said, I don't think.
That didn't look that bad out there.
No, and so this is Rostella. It's an all-weather strip. I've not ever landed here before, so I didn't disgrace myself, which for the purpose of the GoPro running is probably a really good thing. Anyway, Tim's going to be so excited to see his aeroplane. He really, really is. Isn't this so pretty, hey?
Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous.
What a gorgeous place.
You clear the right.
Okay, I'm clear left. I like to just come in, when I don't know a strip like that, just come in a tiny little bit higher.
Yeah,
You know,
well, you don't know what was there. There could have been
No.
wires or anything that weren't
Exactly.
marked. got his motor still running, Brett has.
Yes, I've got him here.
65 leads, we've arrived. I had a
We
flight.
need to just get the hours here too, so we'll go to engine. Oh, we were on engine, sorry. Rex, I need to just go back to the main engine setting, and I'll just get that folder here
There it is.
and just get those times for the moment. So we've got 9.1. 9.1 and 5.9. 9.1 and 5.9. I'll sort that out a bit later, but at least I've got the hours there. Right, that can go back in there. I'll empty the aircraft shortly.
And
I've got the time set.
my calculation
Yeah, just put that in the bag. Put it in the bag box.
47 litres, and we've arrived with 55.
Hello. Hey.
I don't want it. It's in the back. Here you go.
G'day.
How you going?
Hello, sweetheart.
How you going? Thank you.
Rex.
Yeah. Pleased to meet you. Volvo Sling. Oh, that's going to stay there. Stay there.
Oh dear.
God. Bit cheeky. How we go?
Good. And I've still got the GoPro running, so I've got all this like straight into here. No, so we just got bits along the way, because otherwise it's just boring, cloud water. No, so we can just say to the camera now, Tim, here's your aeroplane, finally. Yeehaw, it's here. Okay, it's all good. So happy days for Tim, everybody. He's got his new Bristell finally.